Want to use your Boost mobile phone on another carrier? Here's what you need to know about eligibility. Your phone must be fully paid off if it was purchased on an installment plan. Prepaid phones are often eligible right away. Your account needs to be in good standing with no outstanding balances, and the phone should not be reported lost or stolen. The account should be active or recently active, typically within the last 12 months. Boost doesn't unlock phones for resale or if they're on a block list. Keep in mind that older phones might require third-party services, but modern ones use IMEI-based unlocking. By 2025, most carriers, including Boost, offer zero-fee unlocks for eligible devices. Check your phone's payment status and account standing to confirm you meet these requirements before requesting an unlock. To request an unlock for your Boost mobile phone, contact Boost support through their app, website, or by calling 1-888-266-7848. You'll need to provide your phone's IMEI number, which you can find by dialing *06 on your phone. Submit the unlock request online or over the phone. Approval usually takes between 1 and 24 hours. Once unlocked, insert a SIM card from your new carrier like Verizon or AT&T and follow the activation steps. Remember, compatibility isn't guaranteed, so check the frequency bands. Boost uses T-Mobile's LTE bands like 12, 66, and 71. Boost phones with eSIM are seeing higher unlock success rates, enabling seamless carrier switches without physical SIMs. If successful, unlocking boosts resale value and gives you freedom from carrier lock-ins.